Hello.
Hello down there.
Hello down there.
Hello up there.
Hello up there.
Wait, there's no room for me. There's only room for you. Look.
Open the curtain. Open the curtain.
There you go.
Both sides.
Oh.
Aww. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, easily fixed. That's why we have a dress rehearsal.
fix it.
Oh, look, Duke's gonna fix it.
How do you fix it, Sarah? She doesn't even.
No worries. Duke's gonna fix
What
it.
goes under here?
Look at, he's doing it. He might need a little help on the other side. Maybe you could help him. These things happen sometimes.
Hey, get in there. Hey, get in there. Get in there. Hey, get in there.
You gotta make those grunting noises.
I can't put it in.
Oh, do you need a little bit of help?
Yeah.
Okay, I can help you. Okay, I think I know what.
Bring it in.
Hello up there.
Hello, I think I know what to do.
What is it?
Yeah, you think it goes in there, don't you? Well, it kind of does. It kind of does. Let's try this again. Okay.
No, this is mine. Look. It's up there. Hello up there. Hello, what is your name?
We're watching a puppet show.
What is this? What is your name?
I'm watching a butterfly and a bird and a turtle and a
We
cat.
are those animals. And a kitty.
Definitely. Oh, one cat down, one turtle down.
Oh no! Look!
Is there a problem? Technical difficulties.